What exactly is quality? Quality is the degree of excellence or superiority found in a product, service, or process. It's a critical factor that profoundly impacts customer satisfaction and loyalty. But here's the twist. When we talk about quality, everyone might have a slightly different perspective. So, what will come to your mind when you hear the word quality? For some, quality means ensuring a product is defect-free. For others, it extends to ensuring the product or service consistently meets customer expectations. When you purchase a product or service, you can gauge its quality by comparing it to others. For example, consider a smartphone. To some, a high-quality smartphone means it's free from defects, has excellent performance, and meets their specific needs. High-quality products and services lead to improved customer satisfaction, loyalty, and positive word-of-mouth advertising. Quality is a degree of excellence, distinguishing attribute. Think about it this way. Quality is like a benchmark, something that can be measured when compared to similar things, simply distinguishing attributes. For instance, when you purchase a product or service, like a car for example, you can compare it to similar offerings from different companies. So, you will be able to tell the quality level of that product or service when you compare it to similar products from different companies.